how to turn on dark mode in YouTube. So first let's open our web browser and let's load up YouTube as I have here. Once it's loaded up, you want to press your profile icon here in the top right hand corner. Then you want to come down towards the middle of the menu and you'll see appearance here. It's currently set to light. So press this. Now you'll have an option use device theme, dark theme and light theme. Use device theme is where if your device automatically changes between light and dark, YouTube will do the same. However, if you want permanently dark mode on, press dark theme. YouTube will then refresh. If it doesn't, press the refresh button on your web browser. And as it comes back, YouTube will be in dark mode. So that's how to turn on dark mode in YouTube. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.